You're still watching Anong Ganap? Fresh from the success of their podcast, wala pa kaming title, magsasama-sama sa isang pelikula ang paborito nating 90s beshies na sina Jelly de Belen, Carmina Villarreal, Janice de Belen at Candy Pangilinan na siya ring sumulat ng script nito. Ito na ang trip na hindi nila malilimutan. Road trip, Anong Ganap?
We started with the dream of having a film together, magkakaibigan. Wanting to be together. Yung sana magkaroon tayo na magkakasama tayo. Yung ganun lang, yung simpleng ganun lang. And then, napag-usapan, ganyan. I went into workshop with Ricky Lee. Then doon ko nabuo.
At ngayon nga ay isa ng full-length film ang sinulat niyang kwento ng pagkakaibigan.
It's a story about friendship. It's not just friendship, but it's growth as individuals. We all grow up with different kinds of friends. They start from grade school, high school, college. Some stay, some don't. And in life, marami tayong pinagdadaanan. Minsan talagang kailangan natin ng karamay. And usually, friends din ang kasama natin dyan. Pero friendship here is parang you don't take it for granted. It's something that you cherish and work on. And basically, yun ang gusto naming ikwento sa road trip.
Kaya naman swak na swak din sa magkakaibigan ng mga characters nila sa pelikula.
I play the role of Chiki. Ayan, si Chiki po ay galing sa mayamang pamilya, tapos may asawa, happy naman siya. Yun nga lang, masyado siyang masunurin sa kanyang mga magulang, very obedient, yes lang ng yes, walang desisyon.
Si Gigi is people pleaser siya. People pleaser siya, gusto niya okay lang lahat. Saka parang, wala lang. She just says yes sa mga bagay-bagay kasi kaibigan niya eh. And then she realizes, sarili pala niya ang nakakalimutan niyang isipin.
I play the role of Maricar, isang napaka-straightforward, brutally honest, outspoken, and crazy friend of the four.
Si Sofia is the bossy character here. Siya yung parang pa-leader ng group, yung ganon. Ano siya, very independent woman, single independent woman. Yun, very strong personality.